So today I've got a package, beautiful, nice package. So this is from, I think, Trig or whatever, something like that. He's quite a good seller on eBay. A lot of his stuff he starts at minimal price. Some of it's $1. It used to start at like 1 cent, but I don't think that's a good idea. $1 is probably good. And got quite a few items. Very well wrapped in bubble wrap. He likes purple bubble wrap for some reason, but I don't mind. So let's see what we've got. So we've got probably about 1.3 kilos of world coins. So generally when you buy world coins, you're going to get them all like this. So what can I see here? I can see Indonesia, French Pacific, Barbados, South Korea, Kenya, Israel, Italy, Japan, Luxembourg. Don't get many Luxembourg coins. Got some France, Austria, Malaysia, Greece, Singapore. That's still legal tender. China. Oh, Irish 50 pence. These ones usually cost more than what they are. So I'll make a video on opening that and see what we can actually find in there. So for the other coins I got, so we got some French. These are inflationary coins, so these are issued in the 50s. So I've got 10 francs, 20 franc coins. So when they revalued in 1960, these are corresponded to 20 centimeters. And we've got the 50 francs, quite a large coin. So these are pretty common, but most of these, probably, especially the 50 francs, would have been recycled. So it would have been returned to the French bank to be melted down and remade into other coins. So turn the light around. Okay, so now we have a Irish 1949 1 penny with a chicken. It's quite a nice coin. Then we have another Irish one, 1943. I believe the same thing. This one's for my collection. So 50 Pasiwas 1979 from Ghana. It's quite a large coin, larger than what I thought, and also not as easy to get. So in Australia, these are a bit harder to get. So this is a current coin from the Netherlands, a 20 krona. So this is the highest value coin, roughly equivalent to about $3.50 to $4. And so this is the front of a Viking longship, which is quite nice. And I don't like that lamp, how it makes that light go. Anyway, it's another Irish coin, 1969. This is a 10 pence coin, former series. No longer legal tender. And I've got a few Macau coins. But first we've got another Irish coin. So it's 1946 3 pence, and this is a low mint coin. I can't remember how many were minted, but that's exactly why I got it. And we got some Macau coins issued under the Portuguese, so 1975. So it's the coat of arms of Portugal, Republic of Portuguesa, Republic of Portugal, and one Pataka, Macau. So the currency is Pataka. So here we have Omun. So it's the name of Macau in Chinese. Yapman. So 1 Pataka, or 1 man. And that's the denomination in Chinese. Then you have 50 avos. So Mho, Omun. And 1972. Quite a nice coin. Then we have the 10 avos, so smaller bronze coins. And these at the time Macau also used Hong Kong coins, but these coins don't correspond to the same size and design of the Hong Kong coins. They're similar, but you know, Macau did issue their own sized coins, and currently Macau coins, I find them quite hard to actually get in Macau. Usually people just accept Hong Kong dollars, and probably now more they're accepting Chinese renminbi. So that is the 5 avos. So got all one again. 1967. That was last year that they issued the 5 avos. I would say they probably just didn't worry about issuing them and just kept using the Hong Kong 5-cent coin. So these ones only cost a few dollars each. They've actually come down in price by quite a lot. You know, these used to be a lot scarcer, but now that everyone can sell whatever they want on the internet, there's just a lot more on the market now. So it's reduced value, and yep, that's quite nice. So those are my new pickups, and in a few videos we'll go through these coins and see what I can find and see if I can actually put any into my coin collection. Anyway, thank you very much and have an awesome coin and banknote collecting time.